Hey guys, today we're going to be doing January/February speed reviews. I had such a hectic January that I didn't really try out that much, so I've just combined the two. So yeah, we've got some fun products to talk about, so let's get to it. So the first thing that I tried out was the Frosty collection from Colourpop. Loved this palette, it was so cute. My only complaint is the colour story is like a little bit hard to get a cohesive look. But apart from that, I think it's so cute, so on brand for Frosty. Like, I don't know, it's just really sweet. And I really enjoyed this collection. I did do a full review if you want to go and check that out. Also from that collection, we had the Winter Wonder Super Shock Highlighter. Love, I think these highlighters are so great. They're just amazing. Probably one of my favourite products from the collection are these. These are the So Juicy Plumping Gloss Balms. Love these so much. I've tried out two shades. They smell like cookies to start with. Like, oh, smell absolutely incredible. And they're just such a nice, beautiful product. They just plump, make your lips look so healthy and juicy. And yeah, I really enjoy them. I think they're a really, really nice product. Also tried out a little lip kit in that collection. I can't remember what this one was called, but the lip liner is called Over the Hills and the lipstick is called First Snow. And yeah, this was a really nice like lip, what do you call it, like lip combo. It's just like a pretty like nudish, kind of like a little bit red nudie kind of thing. I don't know, it was really nice. So I genuinely would generally quite enjoy Colourpop's like lip products. I feel like they always do a good job with them. Also tried out the Jelly Match eyeshadow in Friesen. This is such a stunning colour. I cannot wait to use it again because it's just so pretty. So I think that was everything from that collection that we tried out. I tried out the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. I honestly, I feel like it was nice. I didn't notice anything like amazing, but in saying that, I only tried it once, I think. So I would really like to use it a little bit more. I really liked this as well. This is the NYX Fat Oil Slick Click. This is similar to the Colourpop one. It's like you click it up and like it's a juicy, plumping, kind of glossy lip balm thing, you know. I liked that. I got some new Carmex lip balms. I actually really enjoy them. I got this cupcake one and this smells so delicious. Like literally smells like a cupcake. I want it so bad. It's so good. Yum. Love that. And I also got another one. This is the Wild Berry. This also smells so good. Oh, they've just got the yummiest flavors. Like, and they don't smell fake or anything. Like, they smell like really good, nice, like authentic flavors. I don't know. They're really nice. And they're the little mini ones. And I also love the way that Carmex feels on your lips. I feel like they do a really, really good lip balm. So, love those. Tried out the She Glam Pink Highlighter. I think it was so pretty. So cute. Look at it. It's absolutely stunning. I love these highlighters from She Glam. I feel like they're really nice. Tried out another one of the glitter liners. This is Confetti by She Glam. Love. So pretty. I tried out the Tarte Tubing Mascara. It's been so long since I've tried anything from Tarte, but I actually really liked this mascara. I thought it was so pretty. It didn't look clumpy at all, which I love. So yeah, I really like that. I'm really excited to keep using this. I feel like it'll be a fave. This is the NYX This Is Juice Gloss Electrolyte Infused Colour in Pomegranate Cloud. I didn't mind it. Like, I feel like it was kind of basic. I feel like they really got me with the packaging of these. Like, I don't know, I thought they were going to be like my thing, but it was pretty basic. Like, I didn't mind it. Like, it was still pretty and like smells nice. Oh my god, it's popped. It's leaking at the top. What the hell? That sucks. I wonder how that's happened because like it's literally just been in my drawers. It feels like it's so full, like it's literally about to burst. I don't understand how that's happened because it's like open. I'm so confused. It's annoying. But yeah, I feel like, yeah, it's pretty basic. And now that the packaging has failed, I'm also kind of like... Anyway, I tried this Glow Recipe Strawberry BHA Pore Smooth Blur Drops. I actually quite liked this. I feel like it was cute. Can't wait to use it a bit more. It smells really nice. I feel like it's gonna... Actually, sorry. Does it smell nice? I thought it did. Maybe it doesn't. I can't smell it anymore. Oh my god, the packaging's come off that as well. What the hell is going on in my drawers? Like, is there like... What the fuck? I'm so confused. Anyway, I did like that. I tried out the Made by Mitchell blush in Strawberry Cream. I didn't mind it. I feel like it's very pink. Like, it's very pretty, but like, it is a very pink, and I don't know if I'm ready for it. So I can't really honestly remember how it looked. I feel like I didn't hate it though. This is the Emco Sol de Janeiro dupe. This is like the original one. Absolutely love this. It smells so good. But it started leaking. Like, what is with all this packaging? This started leaking before I put it in the drawer, so, which was annoying because I had it in my handbag and then I undid my handbag and it smelled so strong. I was like, shit. But I love it, so I've just been storing it upright. It's annoying about the packaging though. Tried out the Grown Alchemist Polishing Facial Exfoliant. I did like this. It felt very like gentle, which I enjoy. I'm a bit weird about face scrubs or face exfoliants because I hate to feel like I'm damaging my skin. This one felt very nice and gentle, but still did a nice job of exfoliating, so I really liked that. This is the Jelly Wow lip oil. Is it lip oil? Yep, from SheGlam. I really, really liked this. I did a whole like little testing SheGlam lip videos if you want some in-depth reviews, but really liked that one. Tried out another one of the P. Louise Glisten to Your Heart glitter liners in Magic Moment. I love this product. It's so good. This is the SheGlam Glow Addict Lip Balm. These were okay. I tried out 2 shades. I tried out Rocky Road and the other one was Peach something. Peach Juice. They were okay. They weren't my favourite product that I've tried from SheGlam, but they were still nice. I really wanted to like this, but I just don't. This is the P. Louise Balmy For You. I just don't like the scent. So I love lime. I think lime is like one of my all-time favourite scents, but these just smell so fake. Like it smells like dishwashing liquid. It doesn't smell like nice lime. So I feel like it's just a shame. It's a little bit off-putting. The product itself is really nice, but I feel like I just don't find myself reaching for this one very much because, yeah, the scent has just put me off a bit. I loved this so much. This was the SheGlam Mellow Jello lip balm thing. Mine's in the shade Ruby and like it literally looks like jelly. Smells so good as well. Like it's so hard for my brain to like comprehend that I can't eat this, you know, like my brain's like, go why? Just take a bite. But yeah, I really enjoyed that. This was the Pout Pillow Cushion Lip Gloss from SheGlam. I liked the product, but the packaging is just, or the applicator is just not it. Like it just does not work how I feel like they envisioned it to work. Once again, I did a whole video like trying it out if you want to go and have a look. But yeah, just didn't translate. Like I feel like they were trying something new and like innovative, but it just didn't really translate. I tried out these SheGlam lip liners. I do really like these. I just hate that there's no shade names on them. So yeah, and like no colour swatches or anything. So you kind of have to open them and like undo them. I just feel like it's a little bit inconvenient. But the actual product itself is nice. It's just like, I know me, and I know once these are in my collection, I'm going to have to really push myself to like actually open these up and see what shade they are, as opposed to just picking something where I like can see the shade already on it, if that makes sense. This is also from SheGlam. This is the Crystal Glaze Moisturising Lip Care in Cocoa Cookie. I love these so much. I think they're so nice. I've been using the strawberry milk one at work this week and it's so good, but I love the scent of this as well. Oh, it's so yum. And yeah, they're a really, really nice product. Tried out the P. Louise Frozen Fix Mascara. I actually like this. I think it's really nice. It made my lashes look very pretty and black. I really like the wand as well. It's like curved, a bit weird, but I love it. It's really nice. I tried out the Hideaway Body Custard. This is in Pistachio Paradise, and this is a Sol de Janeiro dupe for the like, you know, the original one. Oh, it smells so good. They've done such a good job of duping this, and I do really like the Body Custard formula. This was the Pat McGrath Labs Perma Precision Liquid Eyeliner. I actually really, really enjoyed this. It's a brown shade. Like I thought it was going to be black, but it's brown. But I actually really like it. It's my first ever thing trying from Pat McGrath. And I know that she's insanely expensive, but I feel like that liner is very good quality. This is the SheGlam Glam 101 Lipstick and Liner Duo. It's okay. I didn't really like the shade of this, to be honest. So yeah, it's 8. I did also try out a Makeup Revolution palette, but I have already decluttered that. This year I'm gonna try and not like keep things in my makeup collection that I don't love. So if I try something and I'm like, oh, that doesn't suit me, like I'm just gonna get rid of it then and there instead of holding on to it, like, you know. But yeah, I did like that. I did like the Makeup Revolution palette. It's just I have so many and it was nothing special, you know what I mean? I didn't like it enough to keep it. This is the P. Louise Silky Serum. I really wanted to like this and I was so excited for it. It's in a scent Milk and Cookies. And it smells good, but when you put it on, the taste is gross. Now, I used to vape, and I did have a vape at one point that was like ice cream flavoured, and it tastes like this. And I think that's why it's putting me off so much. But yeah, I took this when we went away to Port Arthur. And I was really trying to make myself like it, but I just can't. I just can't. I really want to, but I just can't. Which is interesting because I actually like the smell of it, but it's just when it's on the lips, the taste, and it's not for me. I tried out the Supergoop Glow Screen and I love this. This is probably one of my new favourite products. I got this in an advent calendar and I'm so excited to try this. So excited to try this. So excited to wear this. Like, I actually love it. I feel like it makes my skin look so pretty. So yeah, I really enjoy this product. And I've got my mum onto it as well, so she really likes it too. This is the SheGlam Sour Gummy Jelly Wow Glitter Lip. Loved this. This was really nice. It smells so good too. Actually, sorry, no it doesn't. I keep getting confused with my SheGlam stuff. But this one looked really nice on the lips. I thought it was going to be too much, but it was actually really cute. Tried out the Lizzie McGuire and Colourpop Bubblegum Pop Lippy Scrub. Love. This is so old now. I honestly shouldn't be using it, but oh well. It smells so good. It smells like juicy fruit. I don't know if you guys know what that is, but in Australia there was this bubble gum back in the day, or like chewing gum back in the day, called Juicy Fruit, and like the first 2 bites of that like chewing gum was like the best of your life, and then it lost flavour instantly, but that's what it smells like. I tried out the Gisou Honey Infused Hair Perfume. I'm still trying to decide how I feel about it. I think I like it. Like, it's very, I don't know, it's like odd. Like, it's very unique flavour. Very unique scent. I think I like it. I want to use it more. I haven't used it that much because I kind of just forget about it. But yeah, like, it's so hard to explain. It's kind of like floral, but like sweet, but like not. I don't know. It's really interesting though. And then the last thing we tried out was the Vividraw Cherry Collagen Firming Capsule. They sent this over to me. I actually quite like this. I feel like it felt really nice on my skin and made my skin look really glowy afterwards. I was scared because it was cherry. I was like, oh god, I'm gonna hate it. It doesn't smell like cherry, thank god. And I don't know, I just really love like the bottle and the design. I feel like it's very fun or something. I don't know. Yeah, actually really pleasantly surprised with that. So that was everything we tried out in the last 2 months. But yeah, not much else to say really. But yeah, like I said, if you want to see the SheGlam stuff in full, like a full review, and if you want to see the Frosty collection full review, then I have done videos on those. The other stuff I have actually done, like the tubing mascara, some of the, like the Revolution eyeshadow palette and stuff like that, I filmed a Get Ready With Me on Patreon. So if you want to see in-depth reviews of those products, check out that. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!